Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on your HODL application. So, let's dive into the video. Since the process is quite easy, tap open the HODL application from your app drawer and make sure to log in first. After signing into the account, tap on the human icon located at the bottom right-hand corner. Select the Account tab at the top right. You will then come across the User Information option. Go ahead and tap on Change Password. Enter your current password in the first text box. First, where it says New Password, enter the new password you are trying to change to. In the Repeat Password text field, repeat the newly entered password, and finally, tap Next at the top right so that you can change your password for HODL. That's how you will be able to change your password within a few minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.